How to follow someone on X app, which is known as Twitter. I'm gonna guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, head over to the X app. After you are in the app, make sure that you are logged in with your account. Once you are logged in, you will see this kind of app interface. Now, in order to follow someone on Twitter, you need to navigate to their profile. You can find the profile by searching for the username too. In order to search for the username, you can tap on the search icon. Now tap on the search bar on the top. Search for the username. In the search result, you'll find the particular profile. Tap on their profile. After you're in the profile page, you'll see the follow button. Tap on this follow button. If you are already following them, the button will be saying following. So that's how you can easily follow someone on Twitter. You can even go to the explore page and head over to the profile that you want to follow. You can simply tap on the profile. After you're in their profile, you'll see the follow button in the right hand side. You can simply tap on it and you'll be able to follow them. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.